Hi friends, it's Mark from Moving Truck Driver, and if you're looking for information about tips for packing for a move, well, this video is for you. Moving Truck Driver was created to alleviate some of the stress that occurs while moving so that you can enjoy the exciting journey of moving into your new home stress-free. We know that driving a U-Haul or a Penske truck can be a very stressful experience. Traffic issues, weather problems, narrow city streets, the size of the truck itself, and let's not forget, reverse. You'd be surprised how often you have to do it. Now try it with a 25 or 28-foot truck with no rear view mirror. Better yet, try doing it with a car being towed behind that truck. It's not easy and often very dangerous. With so much to do and the endless logistics to coordinate, moving your life can be chaotic. Moving your belongings shouldn't be. So regardless of where you rent your moving truck, whether that be U-Haul or Penske or another provider, regardless of the size of the truck you need, or if you need a vehicle towed behind it, Moving Truck Driver can handle it all. Our dedicated, experienced professionals ensure your cherished belongings arrive at your new home safely and on your schedule. Your priorities are our priorities. We've earned the reputation as one of the nation's premier long-distance moving truck drivers by putting our clients first with every move. Give yourself the gift of a stress-free moving experience with us as your trusted moving partners. Hire Moving Truck Driver today. For a free quote or for more information about Moving Truck Driver, please be sure to click the link below or head to movingtruckdriver.com. We appreciate you watching.